Alright, so now it's my turn to open the box, and again, this is a nondescript box, so let's see what's in. Ooh, you can see why Dan picked this box. Inside there are several layers of toy cars. Looks like
Hot Wheels and Matchbox.
Yep, I was gonna say Matchbox. So let's see. I'll get a closer view. Oh, a little bit of glare. Looks like a lot of kind of racing type cars, but there's
some other ones.
Let's see. Oh, here's some like construction. Oh, we can take them out.
Yep. Here's one that I find fascinating: the Batmobile.
I think my brother had one of those growing up.
And I believe it's the Batmobile from the TV series Batman with Adam West.
Ooh, here is a ambulance.
You also have Spider-Man helicopter.
This one's a forklift. And you can see a lot of them. Here's the pickup truck. There's a lot of wear on this, so these were well-loved toys, I would say.
You even have some wind-up ones, as you can see on this one. Winds up.
Are we allowed to wind it up? Probably not. Oh.
Can you tilt the camera some? Okay, the front wheels are locked, but it still winds up. Okay.
So there's also a fire. Is this a fire truck? No, this is not a fire truck. It looks like a fire truck, but it is one of those trucks that moves cars. You could stack all your toy parts in there and move them around.
Here's a old Captain America car. So we do have a number of different models and makes and superheroes in the collection. We did go through them and try and organize them a lot better, because before they were just stored in a plastic bag, but now they have their own little separate compartments, and they range from ambulances to fire trucks to tanks to planes to some cars like the Batmobile or the Spider-Man helicopter.
Do we know anything about were these one donation, several donations?
It was one big donation from someone, and fortunately it was back in like the 80s, I want to say, that they were donated, and he collected them and played with them.
Yeah, obviously they're very...
And they were a popular toy since pretty much the 70s. But we do have a number of them in the collection, so if you ever want to see them, just let us know, and we'll pull the box out for you.
Well, that's it for this week's mystery box segment. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and please come back next week when we pull out new boxes, and we each learn a little bit more about what our coworker has in their collection area. We'll see you next week.
Thanks for tuning in.